How to free up iPhone storage when your storage is full. Have you ever been recording a video on your iPhone only for the recording to suddenly stop because your storage is full? If you've deleted photos and videos but still can't free up enough space, there's one more place you need to check. First, open the Photos app and tap Collections at the bottom. Scroll all the way down to the Utilities section and tap Recently Deleted. Use Face ID to unlock it. Here, you'll see photos and videos you've recently deleted. However, these files aren't removed immediately. They're kept in the Recently Deleted folder for up to 30 days, which means they can still take up valuable iPhone storage. To permanently remove them, tap Select, choose the photos and videos you no longer need, then tap the three dots at the top. Select Delete, and then tap Delete from this iPhone to permanently remove the selected files. Once they're deleted, the storage they were using will become available, giving you more space for recording videos and saving new files. So if your iPhone says storage is full, checking the Recently Deleted folder can help free up space quickly. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.